Hello everyone, welcome to our SCC Digital Zone channel. In this video of day 4 of the tutorial of class 6 mathematics integers chapter, here we will discuss some questions of exercise 1.1. So this is the question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? This question tells us that the temperature of Srinagar was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and it get dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. And on the day of Wednesday, the temperature again raised by 4 degrees Celsius. So we have to find out the exact temperatures of the day of Tuesday and Wednesday. So according to this question, the solution are right here. On Monday, the temperature of Srinagar is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius. And on Tuesday, the temperature dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So the exact temperature on Tuesday was minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius. Means we will subtract 2 degrees Celsius from minus 5 degrees Celsius to get the exact temperature of Srinagar on Monday, and it is minus 7 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, the temperature again raised up by 4 degrees Celsius. So the exact temperature of Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. We are going to add 4 degrees Celsius in minus 7 degrees Celsius because the temperature was raised. So it is results to minus 3 degrees Celsius, and this is the exact temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday. So according to the question, temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius and minus 3 degrees Celsius respectively. And this is the next question of this exercise. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? In this question, a plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above sea level, and at a particular point, both plane and submarine comes in the straight line. And in these conditions, we have to find out the distance between both of them, that is aeroplane and submarine, because both are came in the same axis. So it is same as the picture that is right given here. It is a aeroplane and this is a submarine. Both are in same exact line, and we have to find out the distance between them. Aeroplane is above 5,000 meters from sea level and submarine is 1200 meters below down the sea level. So the distance between them is 5,000 meter plus 12,000 meter. We are going to add both of them to find out the exact distance between them. So this both of them will added up to, it will give the 6,200 meter, and this is the distance between both of them. This is the next question of this exercise, question number 5. Mohan deposits 2000 rupees in his bank account and withdraws 1642 from it the next day. Mohan, a person that deposits 2000 rupees in his bank account, and in the next day he again withdraws 1642 rupees from his account. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. This question says that we have to take withdrawal amount in the form of negative integer, and we must have to take amount that is deposited in the positive manner, and the amount that is left, which is also we have to find out. So according to this question, the solution is given right here. The amount deposited, and that is represented by a positive integer. So we have deposited our amount equal to 2000 rupees, and the withdrawal amount is 1642 rupees. So the actual balance which is left in the account of Mohan is 2000 minus 1642. We are subtracting 1600 minus 1642 because we have given that the withdrawal amount is, we have to take it in the form of negative integer, and to find out the balance that is left in the Mohan's account, we also have to subtract this 1642 from 2000, and it results to 358 rupees, which is left in the balance, which is the balance that is left in the Mohan's account. So this is the answer of this question. So let's go to the next question of this exercise, and this is the question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards east? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? In this question, it says that Rita is a girl and she starts walking from point A and goes to point B, which is in the east direction of A from 20 km apart. And from point B, he again moves to point C in the direction of point A, and he travels 30 km and he stops here. According to question, he says that we have to take positively if we go in the east direction of point A. So according to the question, we must have to take the negatively if we go in the west direction of point A, that is at the point C. So finally Rita is at point C, and which is 10 km from point A, and according to question we will take it in the negative manner. So Rita is at final position from A, and which is minus 10 km from point A. So this is the solution of this question. That's it for today's lecture. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.